Welcome to my channel. The future of work is evolving at a rapid pace, and if you're looking to not just survive but thrive in 2025, developing the right skills will make all the difference. Whether you're aiming to break into a high-paying career or grow your entrepreneurial empire, mastering certain skills will unlock new opportunities and set you apart from the competition. But here's the thing, not all skills are created equal. Some will be in high demand and others, well, let's just say they're quickly becoming obsolete. Let's start with one of the most talked about fields, artificial intelligence and machine learning. By 2025, these technologies are expected to revolutionize nearly every industry, from healthcare to finance, marketing to logistics. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's already being used to automate complex tasks, drive decision-making, and even predict consumer behavior. For those with the right expertise, this field offers incredible financial rewards. According to recent data, the average salary for an AI specialist is around $150,000 per year, and that number is only going up as demand grows. So, what skills should you focus on? Proficiency in programming languages such as Python, TensorFlow, and R is essential. But understanding the underlying concepts like neural networks, deep learning, and natural language processing will set you on a path to the top of the field. Our second high-income skill for 2025 is cybersecurity. As more businesses move their operations online and store sensitive data digitally, the need to protect this data from cyber threats is greater than ever. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest-growing fields in the world, with cybercrime expected to cost the global economy over $10 trillion annually by 2025. From small startups to multinational corporations, every organization needs skilled professionals to safeguard their networks, data, and customer information. Specializing in areas like penetration testing, network security, and incident response can position you at the forefront of this rapidly expanding industry. Cybersecurity professionals can earn between $100,000 to $200,000 per year, depending on experience and role. Third on our list is digital marketing and growth hacking. In 2025, businesses will continue to rely heavily on online channels to reach and engage with their audiences. The digital marketing landscape is more competitive than ever, and brands are in constant search of talented individuals who can help them scale rapidly. Growth hacking takes digital marketing a step further, focusing on rapid experimentation and creative solutions to help companies grow faster, often with limited budgets. From running viral social media campaigns to optimizing conversion rates, this skill set is in demand across all industries. Blockchain technology, another game changer for 2025. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin often steal the spotlight, the true potential of blockchain goes far beyond digital currencies. Blockchain is the backbone of decentralized applications, smart contracts, and secure data exchanges. And as industries like finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and even entertainment adopt blockchain, the demand for developers with expertise in this space is skyrocketing. Blockchain developers with a strong understanding of cryptography, decentralized systems, and smart contract development can earn anywhere from $120,000 to $200,000 per year, depending on experience and expertise. Finally, we have content creation and personal branding. In 2025, social media influencers, YouTubers, and bloggers are more than just internet personalities. They've become legitimate business moguls. Content creators who can build large, engaged audiences have the ability to monetize their influence through partnerships, sponsorships, and even product launches. But it's not just about posting pretty pictures or clever captions. Success in this field requires consistency, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience. As we head into 2025, it's clear that the world of work is changing rapidly. The skills you choose to develop today will define your earning potential tomorrow. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, digital marketing, blockchain, and content creation are just the beginning. Finally, if you're ready to future-proof your career and earn more in 2025, now's the time to start learning, growing, and mastering these high-income skills. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on thriving in the future of work. Kindly drop your questions and comments below.